What's going on, everybody? Recently we raised our 22 Bronco, now it's time to add some steps. So if you've been staying up to date with the channel, then you would know that we recently lifted our new 22 Bronco. But it's been actually a little bit hard for people to get in and out of the vehicle ever since we did that. So we're going to correct that problem by installing some Westin HDX Drop Steps onto the vehicle today. These are steel one-piece designs, so that means you actually don't have to adjust the steps on, which is great. They also come with a plating that's on the steps that's going to make it a lot easier for getting in and out of the vehicle. These are available in two options, one being a steel, which we have here today, and then the other option being a stainless steel. So the first step to this installation is actually putting on the front mounting bracket and then the rear mounting bracket. So we're going to stick this right up here, and we're going to put in the two bolts that was provided with the kit. And now the rear bracket. And you don't want to tighten these down all the way because we're going to want to have some adjustment room. All right, and the next step of the installation is actually putting on our step bar. So we're going to lift this up onto the mounts here. There's two mounting spots in the back of the bar. And we kind of just slide over this bracket once you can get both sides on. And then now we're going to put in the hardware that also came with the kit. Again, you want to just kind of put this in loosely. You don't want to tighten it down all the way, just so you can have some room for adjustment at the end. All right, now we got all the bolts on for the side step. Now you just want to adjust accordingly, and then you should be good to tighten everything down. All right, now that we have our drop steps installed on this side, we're going to repeat the process on the opposite side. There you have it. That's our installation on our HDX drop steps for our Bronco. Not only did they add an awesome look to it, but it's also going to serve a great function with getting in and out of our Bronco. It's time to drop a gear and disappear, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check out cjponyparts.com for all your Bronco part needs.